I'm going to share you something important about functions in Python so that you won't make a mistake as a beginner Python developer. So if you can see my screen, I have a function with 3 arguments and I'm printing those 3 arguments and I'm calling the function by giving 1, 2 and 3. If I run the function, it's all well and good. You can see the output as hello 1, 2, 3, which is what we are passing as an argument. But if I happen to remove one of the argument from the function, then when I run the code, it will throw an error telling that there is one missing required positional argument. If the same function is getting called from different places, then you will face this error and you won't be able to figure out what is the actual issue. In order to fix this, all you can do is that you can write equal to and write none. So this will make the third argument as an optional argument, and if you run the code, the output will be fine. Won't face any errors. If you like this video and if you want to see more content, do follow and subscribe.